Those oil stains on your garage floor aren't so hard to remove if you have one of the best pressure washers for cleaning concrete and driveways. It also helps to use degreaser and detergent. But how do you know if a pressure washer is powerful enough? We've listed down the top 3 best pressure washer for concrete and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. Wen PW31. Wen takes on the big brands with their PW31 pressure washer. It runs on a 208cc OHV engine and an axial cam pump. Altogether, it offers 7,750 cleaning units. One advantage is that its pressure hose is 30 feet long, 5 feet longer than competing models. Moreover, it has a detergent tank, a lance with a safety lock trigger, and 5 quick change nozzles. Wen offers a 2-year warranty. Number 2. Champion 3200. Fans of the Champion gas pressure washer love its mobility and power. It has 7,680 cleaning units of power, enough for commercial use. But the reasonable price and user-friendly design make it ideal for homeowners too. And it comes with a 2-year limited warranty and free technical support. This tool is powered by Champion's own 224cc OHV engine plus a top-of-the-line Novi Reverbery axial cam pump. It comes with a 25-foot pressure hose, onboard detergent tanks, a gun and wand, and 5 nozzles including one for soap. The only thing you won't have is a brush to help you scrub the concrete. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning MS6076 3S. The Simpson Cleaning gas pressure washer has more than enough power to take care of your sidewalks and driveway. This is the kind of tool you'll want if you have regular cleanup duty. Not only it can take care of concrete, but you can reduce the power to wash sidings, decks, vehicles, outdoor grills, and more. You can even strip paint with it. Since it's a very powerful washer, it has a safety lockout on the gun. This helps prevent accidentally spraying surfaces. The pressure washer pump also protects itself from overheating. The wand comes with 5 nozzle tips for different jobs. There's also a 25-foot pressure hose. All the accessories store on board. Finally, the pump has a 1-year limited warranty, the Kohler OHV engine has a 2-year warranty, and the frame a 5-year warranty. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.